Do you know PHP can create file, read file, and upload file automatically? In PHP, working with file is one of the most practical PHP skills because this is how websites save logs, upload images, create reports, store data, manage file. I will teach you everything a beginner needs to know in a simple and practical way. What does working with file means? It means PHP can create file, read file, update file, delete file. Why file are important? Real websites use file for image upload, text storage, logs, export, caching, and you also have to understand basic file function in PHP. If you want to create or write to a file, you use this to create and write to a file. Do you understand what happened here? We create data.txt, then write hello world. The result will be data.txt inside hello world. Then to read this file, we do this. This is a way to read a file. PHP read everything inside this file. Okay, let's check this in our browser. Okay, here we get hello world. Like I told you, the result will be data.txt inside hello world. So here we this thing echoed hello world. We also have this. To use this to append data without replacing. This is very important because we use it for logs, message, save record. So we appended this data without replacing it. Okay, let's put a BR here. We also have this. Okay, here we use this to check if file exists. What you actually did here, you said if file exists, data dot test echo file exists. What we mean by this is that if this file exists, this data dot test exists, then echo file exists. So this echo file exists because this file is actually exists because we have it here. So it exists. If you check in our browser, you see this thing with echo file exists. So let's check our browser. You can see it, file exists. So we use this thing to check if file exists. To delete file, you do this. Okay, we use this to delete file. So what you did there, you said first of all, you check if file exists before you delete file. Then you check if this file exists. Because you can't just come and be deleting what you don't know whether it exists or not. So here we have to check if file exists. Then if the file is exists, so this on link blanket data dot test. That is what we use to delete the file. Then if the file is deleted, echo file deleted. Else echo file does not exist. So since this file is exist, you are going to get file deleted. So but if this file is not exist, then you are going to get file does not exist. Okay, let's just put a BR here. Let's check in our browser. Okay, file deleted. That means our file exists. So we use this on link to delete file. So we also have this. You use this to open file. Now let me show you. Okay, we use this to open file. Here we did $file equals to f open blanket data.test r. So we use this to open this file. Now let me show you how to read file line by line. So to read file line by line, so here we did $file equals to f open blanket data.test comma r. So to read this file line by line, we said y is not y is not So this is how to read file line by line. We also have this. This is the best way to read file line by line. Let me explain this. FE off, check end of file. F gets, read one line. F close, close file. So this is how we read file line by line. To light using light, we do this. So this is how we light. So this is how to light using F write. So you understand what we did here? Yeah, we said F, we said dollar file equals to F open. Open this data, but test, comma, W, F light, blanket, dollar file, comma, hello world, F close, dollar file. So here, you open file, then light file and close file here. Now, let me show you how to work with file uploads. Very important. This is used for profile picture, document, and videos. Now, we are going to include HTML. So just copy this, cut this, do HTML construct, paste this here. Okay, let's construct our form. Create a div form. Change this to capital letter. You have to add something here. ENC type. So we use this to upload a file. Any form that have file input inside must have this. So because you use this to upload a file. So this is our HTML construct. Now let's go to PHP. Copy this. So now we are trying to upload a file, HTML, then use PHP and move it to this to this folder, because this is where we'll be moving our uploaded file. So any file that we upload in this PHP form, we will use PHP and move it to this folder. Okay, now let's move our file to this folder. So we are going to call this our folder name here. So what happened here? This HTML form, we use it to upload files. The PHP, this PHP, then this PHP receive the uploaded file, then this move it to uploads folder. So this will move it to this uploads folder. So okay, let's check this in our browser now. Okay, yeah, we didn't have any error here, but we supposed to have error here. Okay, let's upload something. Okay, now let's check our folder to know whether we uploaded something. Okay, can you see it? So move PHP move this to upload folder, while this HTML upload the file. Then this PHP receive it and this move it to a folder. Let's upload another file. Let's upload this. You can see it. Just upload another one. Okay, this is all the file that you uploaded. You uploaded this one, this, and this. So do you understand what you did there? So you use this HTML to upload a file, then use this PHP to get our file, then use this to move it to uploads folder. You also need file upload security. Very important. Never trust uploaded files. So uploading file also need a security. So to put a security in our uploaded file, use this method. Type. So can you see what we did there? If file type is equals to img, png, jpg, svg, jpge, jpeg, then echo valid file. So if our file type is equals to this, echo valid file. But if not, else echo invalid file. So if our file type is equals to all these, because this is file type that we have, echo valid type, valid file, else echo invalid file. So if you are uploading anything else that is not this type of file, that means you are uploading something else that you don't know, because here we only need file, not anything else. So we only need file in this input. Don't need anything else that is not file. So this checks file type, the type of file that a user is uploading. You can also limit size. To limit file size, you do this. So this is what we use to check file size. Yeah, we said if $file image size is less than 2 million, echo allow. That means allow this file. But if this file size is not less than 2 million, then that means we don't need it here. Else echo file not allowed. So we use this to check file size in our PHP. Master file handling, and you can build more powerful PHP application. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me in the comment section. Anything you want to know about PHP, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go for more tips. Thank you.